I forgot to film an intro, so this is the intro. Ah! Here we have breakfast, tomato and ham. Yep. Now, I don't know why I filmed this while having music in the background because there's obviously going to be copyright. So just enjoy this silent walk to the living room with my coffee that didn't taste too good because there was cocoa in it, like chocolate milk, because someone took the rest of the milk. Mom, thank you very much. I think I'm gonna go take a nap, and then I need to clean my car for tomorrow, and then I need to put on lash. I look naked. Do you like my pimple? This is Bob. Hi, Bob. I also did my nails yesterday. New Year's Eve nails. I look like a corpse. Well, let's go clean my car. Before God deserts. Before God decides to turn off the light outside. Let's go. It's bad. It's bad. I need to all of this cleaned out. And look at this. Oh my God. Can't wait for this to be clean. Jeez. But first, I have to move it back there so I can reach it with the vacuum. Ta-da! It's an oversized balaclava. Wow. I have an incredible amount of shoes in here for some reason. Those are my running shoes. They can stay. But I will just put them inside for now because I need to vacuum. Actually, it's not too bad back here. I can just put them right there. Speaker, more crochet work, more shoes. I have a lot of cans in here as well. Let's look at the boot. Because I know I have more clothes back here. Oh God. Okay. 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 I'll be back. Oh my God. So clean. How lovely. Look at that. Wow. Okay, look at the boot as well. Wow. I need to bring this as well, so I'm just going to put it behind the seat. But look at that. Wow. Don't mind the mess. This is my stepdad's workspace. So let's just check the oil. The coolant was exactly where it needed to be. So now we check the oil. You're in my engine. Wow. So oil, stick. Just dry it off. Put it back in. And pull it out again and check where it's at. Okay, I'm good on oil as well. You can see it's between lines. It needs to be between here and here. So we're good on oil. It's kind of in an annoying spot where you can't just like pour it directly because it's like underneath something else. And we have emptied the bag. Yay. Oh. Everything's good in here. Now I just need to check tire pressure. Alright, so I just finished on my car and now I'm gonna go to the store and buy some hair coloring because I'm coloring my hair black. And then I will get my car a little car wash because I think that might be a good idea because he hasn't ever been washed in a car wash. So I think I should do that. First, let's put something in the fireplace. I just found out that the store is closed until tomorrow because of Christmas. So I'll go get my car cleaned anyways because I also need to fill it with gas. So yeah, let's go, bitches. I just need my bag. So, funny thing actually, I could not get the antenna off and I had to like call my mom and ask how I would do so. She couldn't help and I had to ask a man who was getting gas to screw it off for me because I could not for the life of me. Good morning. Today is the day that we drive 3 hours. So I will just go to the store and buy the hair coloring because it's open today, the store. And then next time I see you, I'm probably packing my car or eating breakfast. One of those. Okie dokie. So I bought some things. I bought a new eyeshadow brush thingy. This was just cheap stuff. It's what they had. I bought a new blender because I needed one. The old one started crumbling because I didn't use it very often. And a cream bronzer. And the hair dye. When I love you, I'm sweet like an angel. Tongue in your mouth. Maybe just stay inside. I know you're craving some fresh air, but the ceiling fan is so nice. Okie dokie, I just got off the highway and like the last hour and 20 minutes are gonna be on country roads. So wish me luck. I'm driving behind a truck that like transfers pigs. He's going slowly so the pigs don't fall over. There I can see. Okay, I made it! And I really need to pee and she's not home, so I have to wait for her to get home. Because she doesn't have a spare key, so please get home quickly. Thank you for watching! You are an incredible human. Mwah, bye.